How to use hair serum. From managing out of whack frizzy and unruly hair, one hair care essential made an imprint on the hair industry. This is none other than hair serum. Hair serums are one of the major products that must be in the hair care wardrobe due to its amazing alluring benefits. A good hair serum not only provides the necessary moisturization to your hair but also needful shine. But this is only possible when you will use this hair essential at the right time and in an accurate way. There are certain misconceptions regarding how to use hair serum, and that is why sometimes people are not able to get the salon finish look with their hair. So, let's know this hair care product deeply. What is hair serum? Filled with potent concentrations of active ingredients, hair serums are the liquid-based styling and protective hair products, developed to coat hair cuticles to impart smoothness, shine, luster, and proper hydration to the hair. Hair serum can be used either on dry or wet hair and either as a finishing product or as a pre-styling product. Hair serum is a boon to style and style the hair. How many categories the hair serums are divided? Today, you can find ample forms of hair serum in the market or at an online store. Therefore, it is very essential before knowing how to use serum, know the type of serum you are going for. Intense moisturizing hair serum. This is for the people who have intense unmanageable hair with split ends and flyaways. The serum deeply nourishes the hair and smoothens the cuticle texture. Hair growth serum. This is formulated with the active ingredients which also helps to prevent hair breakage and hair strengthening along with providing hair shine and smoothness. Straightening hair serum. These serums helps to create sleeks and diminishes frizz while straightening the hair. Such serums are packed with humidity-resistant formula that aids in keeping hair straight for longer hours. How to use hair serum. It is very important to decide when to apply and how to apply hair serum, especially when you are going through different hair conditions. For damaged hair. Damaged hair isn't a joke. You need to protect it, otherwise you can ruin your hair. Always make sure to apply hair serum thoroughly on towel-dried hair to reduce frizz and keep smooth and shiny hair. For straight and thin hair. Flip your hair upside down and start applying serum from the tips. Don't apply serum onto the scalp as it can weigh down your thin textured hair. After towel drying or whenever you want to style your hair, little hair serum is enough for this type of hair. For thick, coarse to curly hair. For kinky curly or wavy hair that is hard to manage, hair serum plays a very crucial role. Take an ample amount of hair serum and must apply before flattening, after towel dry, or while styling the hair. This will provide a shiny and glossy finish. While styling hair, styling with heating appliances can damage your hair or make hair dry, frizzy, and unruly. Therefore, it is very essential to apply the serum before doing your hair styling with heat appliances. You can also apply serum afterward to get a salon finish hair look. Don't forget to apply serum as per your hair texture and need. In this way, you can get every benefit associated with serum and keep your hair healthy. What is the correct way to use hair serum? Take adequate drops of serum onto your hand, rub it between the palms, and distribute thoroughly onto the midsections and ends of the hair. If your hair serum is in spray form, just shake the bottle and spray in an adequate amount onto the hair. In this way, you can apply hair serum properly and keep your hair silky smooth for always. Also, with the serums like hair growth serum, you can also get your hair strong and robust. Things to remember while using serum. 1. Don't apply hair serum on dirty hair. 2. Apply hair serum evenly onto the hair. 3. Try to match your hair serum with corresponding products like hair shampoo and conditioner. 4. Always rub hair serum between your palms before applying onto the hair. Remember these things and you are good to go. This will help you to manage your hair properly and get healthy hair. I hope you like this video. Experience healthy skin and hair. Derma Essentia.